much for stopping by. My name is Hollabec. Since moving into our house, Jordan and I have been working really hard to try and make it our own. So today I wanted to share our bedroom transformation with you. So the very first step was to paint the room, and I wanted to do this first thing while the room was still empty. Makes sense, right? So if you guys remember our apartment at all, I had a very white and bright and very cheerful vibe throughout the whole thing, mostly because I couldn't paint, so I was working with what I had. So for the bedroom, I really wanted it to have a very moody feel to it. So I decided to go with a dark navy blue, and I ended up painting the room all by myself one day while Jordan was at work. It was a messy and miserable process. I'm so glad it's over, and I would say I hope to never do it again, but I know I'm going to have to with the other room, so can't wait. So of course I didn't film the process, but here's the before and the after. And I decided to leave the trim white, and I think it helped a lot with otherwise brightening up the room. I feel like if I had painted everything really dark, it probably would have been too dark, but I actually really like how the white trim looks. The next thing I did was refinish my vanity, and I wouldn't have even had to have done this if my dumb butt had spilled nail polish remover all over it. So I figured now that we have a garage, Jordan let me borrow a space of it, and I ended up sanding down, restaining, and refinishing it, and I think it looks really nice now. I also wanted to get a nice set of vanity lights for it, so I found these stick-on ones from Amazon. I think they look great and they're so handy. My makeup's never looked better. The next two things we did were relatively small, but Jordan ended up handling them, which I really appreciate. First was to hang our curtains, and I wanted to go with something a little bit lighter to help brighten up the room. I wanted the room to be moody, but not that moody. We also got this absolutely gorgeous chandelier. It just made sense, at least in my mind, that if you're gonna have a moody bedroom feel, you needed a chandelier. So I feel like it really ties the room together. It makes the room, it creates the vibe, and I'm really happy that we got it. Of course, the most important part of a bedroom is the bed, and we were both so excited by the idea of finally having the room for a king-size bed. So I found a platform-style frame and a memory foam mattress on Overstock.com. They are such a great website, and you can get some amazing deals. So the bed frame arrived, and of course it was all in pieces, and it was a day that Jordan happened to be helping a friend, I believe. So it took me 6 freaking hours to put that stupid frame together. It was awful, it was miserable, and my hands were sore by the end of it. However, once it was put together, it is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with this bed, so is Jordan. It is so comfortable, it is so classy, it's perfect. Of course, with everything else that I had put in the room so far, it had a relatively dark theme going on. All the furniture was espresso stained, and we still had Jordan's dresser, which I had painted white years prior. So out of everything that I had refinished, redone, built, the dresser was probably the worst project, and I will never do it again, ever. I had to sand every surface of the dresser to get all of the white off. I had to restain it, refinish it. It's a lot of surface area, and I feel like it took me like 2 months. And now, of course, it looks great. It fits in so well with the rest of our decor, but my God, never again. The final pieces of furniture that we needed for our bedroom was nightstands, and in our entire time together, Jordan and I had never had matching nightstands. So I ended up finding this really nice set on Amazon, and I was so thrilled when they came in the mail, and I didn't have to put them together. They were already assembled, which was wonderful. I think they look so nice, they look so classy, and again, they just fit with everything else in the room. And with that, pretty much everything was completed. We just needed to add some decorative pieces. So I found 2 really nice canvas painting sets on Amazon, of course. I hung them up, as well as a few plants. And you guys probably already saw the picture of Greg, the peace lily, who we purchased first and then found out that peace lilies aren't good for cats. So he lived outside for a while, but now that it's starting to get colder, we ended up taking him to Jordan's dad. So we have a new plant now over here. Her name is Connie. And she's not doing too hot right now, but I think she's gonna make a comeback. And that was everything that we did to our bedroom. In the future, Jordan wants to do a lot of different lighting. He has all kinds of ideas, and I can't wait to see what he comes up with. And the only other thing that I would want to do is probably put a table right where I'm standing right here. And that's it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I put a lot of work into everything. This house has been such a blessing. I have been having so much fun with it, and I can't wait to show you guys other room renovations, because I have a lot of plans. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already, because I have a big goal to hit for the end of the year. The end of the year is almost here, and we got a lot more subscribers that we need. But we can do it. I believe in us. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around.